In this video, I'll show you how to create a Stripe Express account. Perfect if you're a small business owner, freelancer, or creator who wants to start accepting payments online quickly and easily. Let's get started. Go to stripe.com and click Sign Up. Enter your email, create a password, and click Create Account. Stripe will ask a few questions to set up your account. When it asks, "What type of business are you?" Зрение. Выберите «Экспресс». Это идеально для физических лиц или индивидуальных предпринимателей, которые хотят упрощенного процесса входа. Next, enter your full name, business name, if applicable, and email, then hit Continue. Now, Stripe will ask for your phone number and address. This helps them verify your identity and keep things secure. Then you'll need to provide your Social Security number, SSN, or tax ID, and answer a few more quick questions about your business. Once that's done, Stripe will prompt you to verify your identity, usually by uploading a photo of your ID and possibly answering a few questions from your credit report. After verification, you'll be asked to connect a bank account so Stripe can send you payouts. Just enter your routing and account numbers, or connect your bank using Plaid. You can also set up payout schedules and customize your payment settings, like currency and what payment methods you accept. Once everything is set up, you're ready to start accepting payments. You can use Stripe Checkout, payment links, or integrate with your website or e-commerce platform. And that's it. You now have a Stripe Express account, fast, simple, and ready to go. Thanks for watching. If this helped you get started with Stripe, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy guides on payments and online business tools. See you next time.